For today's video, I'm going to do something that I don't usually do on this channel, and that is to provide you with a strategy that has 100% success rate that anyone can literally do to make money regardless of their skill level. And the reason why I'm so confident about this is because I've tried and tested this Google Ads strategy for many months, and I've generated anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a day using this ad strategy. So I know for a fact that if you implement this strategy I'm about to show you today, it will work for you. And what is great about this is that you don't need any followers at all to make this work. You don't even need any prior experience, as I said earlier, and I'm going to walk you through this entire process step by step so you don't make any mistake at all. Now, my only request for revealing this strategy that most affiliates online will probably not reveal to you is that you take a second of your time to tap on the like button, as it really motivates me to make more videos like this, and I really appreciate that. So I'm excited to bring you guys this tutorial because I really believe that this is going to be the tutorial that is going to make many of you your first sale online with affiliate marketing. And as I said earlier, this strategy I'm using every single day with my online business. I have taught this to many of my private students and mentorship program, and they are really seeing amazing results using this strategy. All it requires for you is to give this video your full focus and follow along step by step, and you'll definitely be able to replicate this strategy with a high success rate for yourself. So firstly, let me explain why this method works so well. What you have to understand is that there are three types of traffic when it comes to affiliate marketing or marketing in general. So the first type of traffic is called cold traffic. This traffic group are people unaware of the products that you are promoting to them. So for this video, we are not going to focus on this type of traffic because this is the hardest type of traffic to convert, and they usually have a lot more objections and reasons not to buy from you. And the second type of affiliate marketing traffic is warm traffic. This traffic group are really aware of the product that you are promoting to them, but they just haven't taken any actionable step in purchasing that product. Whether they are reading about the product from blogs online or they are watching a YouTube video about that product, they just haven't made their mind yet whether this product is right for them or not. This is also not the type of traffic we are going to be focusing in today's video. Now, the third type of traffic and the most profitable type of traffic in the affiliate marketing space is hot traffic. And this is also known as buyer traffic because these are people that are actively searching for this product online. They've already made up their mind. They know what they want and they want to purchase this product. They just need that extra little push for them to actually go through and make that purchase. Now, this hot traffic group are people we are going to be focusing on in today's video because this is going to give us the highest chances of making a sale because these people are already ready to purchase this product. Okay, so if you understand this, then go ahead and smash the like button and drop a comment below writing hot traffic so that I know we are on the same page. So the first step is going over to capterra.com, and this is a platform where you can find various software and service-based products that we can promote to people and start making money online. So once you come over to this website, you want to go over to the software categories, and all you simply need to do is to click on browse all categories. So once you do this, as you can see, there are over 900 categories of products that you can start promoting to people and start making money online. But this is where I see a lot of beginners make mistakes as they tend to go for products they are passionate about. And this is what differentiates the expert affiliate from beginners, because an expert will always know that you need to go for a product that is profitable and worth your time, because if it's not profitable, then you are not going to make any money. So that is why in today's video, I'm going to give you the exact product that I am promoting on Google Ads so you can start getting results right away. And the niche I am promoting on Google Ads is video editing. So you want to come over here and click on video editing. And if you do that, as you can see, there are over 300 products that you can promote from this category alone. So what I usually do is to come over to this section that says sort by, and you want to sort by highest rated, because if you do this, this is going to show you the best product that people are getting value from in this niche. So I highly recommend to go with a product with higher rating, because that tells you a lot of people are already happy using that product, and that is a key indicator that that is also a good product for us to promote on Google Ads. And the final thing you want to do is to make sure to look for a product that has a recurring commission, as this is the secret to making passive income online, because all you simply need to do is to make a sale once. Every single month, you are still going to be making commissions as long as your customer continues using that product. So in this video, we are going to be promoting Adobe After Effects as our video editing software of choice. And now if you come over to the software, you can simply click on the view profile to get more information about this product. And if you do that, you are going to get all the details and everything you need to know about this product before you start promoting it. So once you do that, the next step is coming over to Google and you want to type in Adobe Affiliate Program. And you are going to see the affiliate program on top of the search result right here. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page, and as you can see, this is the Adobe Affiliate Program. And this way you can promote any Adobe product, be it Photoshop, Illustrator, and any other Adobe product of your choice. All right. So once you come over here, you are going to see how much you are going to make when people purchase this product using your affiliate link. As you can see, for the first month, you are going to get 85% of whatever your customers spend on this product. All right. So you can see getting paid 85% of every sale every single month is a lot of commission. And this is why I recommend promoting product that is going to give you a recurring commission. So once you come over to the affiliate page, all you simply need to do is to click on the Apply Now button. As you can see, this is a very simple page. All you simply need to do is to enter your basic information, your email address, your username, your password, and you want to enter your address and you want to agree to terms of service. So once you do this, you're going to be able to have access to your dashboard right away. And now before we start promoting this product on Google Ads, we want to simply come over to our keyword planner real quick. So once you come over to your keyword planner, and if you click on discover new keywords, we want to come over here and type in After Effects. So if you do this, you are going to see how much search volume this keyword gets every single month. As you can see, it gets between 100,000 searches to 1 million searches every single month. Like I said, we are targeting buyers traffic, as these are people who are already interested and they are ready to purchase this product. You can see there is a lot of traffic every single month for this product, and you can see the competition right here low. Okay, if you scroll down, you can see other variations of this keyword. You can see Adobe After Effects also get 100,000 to 1 million searches every single month, and the competition is also low. So if you scroll down here, this one saying After Effects video editing, you can see it get between 1,000 searches to 10,000 searches every single month, and the competition is low as well. So I can keep scrolling down. You can see this is a very profitable niche. Looking right here that the competition in this niche is very low, which means if you are a complete beginner, you can set up your ads right away and start driving traffic and putting your affiliate link in front of this buyer's traffic and start driving traffic to your affiliate link, which in turn, when people sign up to this product, you are going to start getting affiliate commissions. And also there's another tool I highly recommend if you want to get more in-depth information, like the location of people and the demographics, the age, and people who are interested in your particular keyword of choice. You can use this platform ahref.com to get even more information. And if you notice on Google, there is no information about the countries who are interested in this product. So I highly recommend using this tool to get even more information on your keyword of choice. I hope this makes sense. So the next step is coming over to ads.google.com to create a Google Ads account. And it's absolutely free and easy to create. All you need to do is to click on the Start Now button. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And this is where you want to come over and select website traffic. And if you do that, you want to scroll down and you want to click on continue. And it's going to bring you to this page. and you want to come over here and select search traffic, because we want to get our affiliate link in front of high intent customer at the right time on Google search, as you can see right here. Okay, so once you do this, you want to then click on continue. And this is where you then want to type in a name for your campaign. So for me, I am just going to type in Adobe After Effects. Right. So once I type this in, all I simply need to do is go click on continue. So once I click on continue, then it's going to ask you for your bidding strategies. This means the format you want to get charged by Google when people start seeing your ads on the platform. So now we are going to be optimizing for clicks, because we want to get as many clicks to our landing page as possible so that we can start converting those people and start getting affiliate commissions. All right. So once you select click, all you simply need to do from here is to then select next. So once you do that, you want to come over here and you want to disable this display network, which means we want our ad to display when people search for this keyword, as this is the best format for beginners to start with when creating a new campaign. So once you do that, you then want to come over here and you want to type in the country you wish to target. Okay, so all you simply need to do is to type in those countries you got from Ahref platform. All right, you want to input them right here. But for me, this software is popular in the United States, so I'm going to select this right here. And for the location settings, I highly recommend to leave it as default like this. And now you want to then scroll down, and this is where you want to type in the language being spoken in that country. So once you do that, all you need to do is to scroll down and you want to click on next. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and this is where you want to type in keywords, which is going to show your ads when people type them on Google. All right, as you can see here, I've typed in a bunch of keywords related to this niche, which people are typing in on Google, because these are the type of keywords for people who are looking to purchase this software. As you can see, best video editing software. And now if you notice, these keywords have brackets, which means I want exact match, as you can see right here. And that means our ad is going to show up when people type in this exact keyword on Google. And like I said earlier in the video, we are targeting hot traffic because this is the traffic that converts the most. And these are people who already know about this software and they are ready to make a purchase. So once we do this, then you want to scroll down. This is where you want to then type in headlines. And as you can see, Google has given you suggestions of headlines you can use for your ad. All right. So all you need to do is to take advantage of these suggestions. And I can tell you, you are going to get a lot of results because these suggestions is from Google itself. Now you want to scroll up to the top, and this is where you want to add a URL. And this is where I see many affiliates or many beginners make mistake as well by adding in the direct affiliate link. And I can tell you for free, this is against Google Ads policy and it can get your account banned or deleted. And this is simply because they don't really like affiliate links. So I highly recommend you create a landing page and you want to paste in the link right here. And now to create a landing page, there are so many free builders out there you can use. You can come over to breezy.io. You can come over to clickfunnels.com. Really, whatever landing page software you want to use, this is up to you. So you want to make sure to just create a landing page like this, a very simple and professional landing page like this one I created from breezy.io. As you can see, start creating amazing video content with Adobe After Effects. Monetize your videos and grow your audience because you are targeting people who are interested in making videos. And for those who don't know, Adobe After Effects is just like other video editing softwares like iMovie, Filmora, DaVinci Resolve, and all that, which people use to create Facebook ad videos or even create YouTube tutorial videos like this one you are seeing right now. So as you can see with this landing page, I added some social proof of people who are already using this software. So now if people come over to your landing page, I always tell my private students to make sure to collect email addresses of people coming over to your landing page, as this is going to become an asset for you, because if they don't make that purchase today, you can always remarket other related products to them and keep making money from these people years to come because you already know they are interested in this niche. Okay, so you want to make sure this sign up section, This is where you add your affiliate link, the one you got from the Adobe affiliate page. So to create this landing page, all you simply need to do is to come over to breezy.io, and you can create, and you want to then click on start your free trial. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and you can click on create new project. And once you do that, you want to then click on create website and landing page. And now it's going to ask you, do you want to create it from scratch, generate with AI, or you want to start with a template? So for me, I always like to start from scratch. So all you need to do is to click on start from scratch. And if you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to say start building your page, and you want to click on that plus button. So once you do that, you are going to see various landing page templates you can use to create landing page on breezy.io in less than 5 minutes. So as you can see, there are so many templates here, and this was the one I used in my example, but feel free to use any other template of your choice. So if I click on this template, as you can see, we can edit every aspect of this template. You can change this image to another one that resonates with the product you are promoting. And if you go over to Google and type in Adobe After Effects, you are going to see a lot of images you can use to promote this software. All right. So all you simply need to do is to edit everything just like I've done right here on this page, and you are good to go with your landing page. So once you create your landing page, all you simply need to do is to copy the landing page link, and you want to come back to your Google Ads account, and you want to paste in the landing page link like this. So you want to also make sure to paste in your landing page link right here as well in this final URL section. So once you paste in your landing page link, as you can see, Adobe After Effects best video editing software. So you want to then scroll down, and you want to add a description for your ads. And once you've added a description like this is where you are going to see the score of your ad campaign. And now if you're wondering how I got the description, you can use this amazing software writer.me to create ad optimized title and description for you. And I'm going to leave a link in the description. Once everything is good to go, all you simply need to do is to scroll down, and you want to click on next. And this is where Google is going to recommend how much they want you to spend every single day. But keep in mind, Google is a business and they want you to spend money on their platform. However, you can come over to this section that says custom budget, and this is where you can type in whatever amount you are comfortable with spending every single day. And I know a lot of you don't have a high budget, so you can simply start with $5 to $10 every single day. And from there, you can check how your campaigns are performing, and you can optimize accordingly. All right. So if I come over here and I select $10, so once you do that, you are going to see how much click you are going to get, and you are going to see how much you are going to spend every week. Okay. Now, as you can see, the clicks has dropped, and that is because we are spending lower budget. But if I increase this to, let's say, $100, as you can see, the click is going to increase as well. So like I said, you don't have to spend a high budget. You can simply start with whatever you are comfortable with at first. And as you go, you can increase your budget gradually. Once you do that, all you simply need to then do from here is to click on next. So if you do everything correctly, as mentioned in this video, it's going to show you a preview of your ads. And if everything looks good, following the setup I showed throughout this video, then you won't have any problem getting your ads approved. And you should keep in mind, ads typically get approved between 4 hours to 48 hours, depending on the niche and various parameters you've targeted within your ad. So I recommend that you stay patient, and your ad will definitely get approved. And if you do everything correctly in this video, then you can start making anywhere from $200, $500 to $1,000 a day using Google Ads and affiliate marketing. Because once your ad gets approved, then Google Ads is going to start placing your ads in front of those target audience we targeted within these ads. It's going to take them to your landing page, and if they purchase this product, you start making affiliate commissions. And the final tip is to keep an eye on your ads performance. Make sure to tweak them from time to time and make adjustments when necessary, as this is going to help you scale your ads earnings and keep your ads profitable. And if you like this video, then I highly recommend to check out this video on your screen right now, as this is the next video you should watch to start making even more money with affiliate marketing.